In our previous video, I talked about how to use method of substitution to solve for a linear system. Now I'm going to be using the method of elimination. We use substitution when we're able to isolate for a variable pretty easily. However, all of these variables here have a coefficient which is hard to solve for and just gives us a lot of fraction or decimal values. Instead, we're going to be learning how to use the method of elimination to cancel out a few variables and solve for the rest. Right off the bat, I could see that 6x and 3x do have something in common. 3 is a multiple of 6. So when we learn about equivalent linear equations, we know that if we multiply this by 2 and we make it into 6x minus 12y equals 24, this line and this line are the same. Likewise, if I multiplied it by 100 and I got 300x minus 600y equals 1200, it would still be the same line. Let's label our equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this new equation that we have right here is equation 3. Let's compare equation 3 and equation 2. So compare. I'm going to rewrite this at the bottom to make it more neater. 6x minus 12y equals 24, and then we also have 6x minus 8y equals 22. The name of this method suggests what we're going to do next, method of elimination. If I were to subtract these two equations, note, subtract, what would I get? 6x minus 6x cancels everything out, so x goes away. Minus 12y minus 8y, which makes it minus 12y plus 8y, you would get negative 4y. And 24 minus 22 would simply give us 2. Now we want the y value, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. This cancels out, and the remainder on this side simplifies to negative 1/2. So now we have the y value of the point of intersection. Just like we did in method of substitution, we're going to take this value and plug it back into one of the original equations. So for this one, I will be plugging it back into this equation. I will get 3x minus 6 bracket negative 1/2 equals to 12. 3x minus 6 times negative 0.5, which is 1/2, is 3. So plus 3 equals to 12. Now we're going to move the 3 to the other side, and we're going to get 3x equals 12 minus 3, which is 3x equals 9. And now we want to solve for x, the x over here. So we're going to divide 3 on both sides. That leaves us with x equals 3. Therefore, this is a therefore symbol, point of intersection equals to x and y, which equals to 3, negative 1/2.